Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. A long time back, we installed fog lights on our Pulsar 220. And recently, we reinstalled them on our ADV Crash Guard. And to install the fog lights, we used some clamps available in the market. But soon after the installation, due to its quality, it soon started to rust. Which ultimately didn't look good but did its job. And in order to address this issue, we began looking for another solution. And while searching, we came across this. These are the fog light clamps from HJG. These are the contents of the box. The clamps come with Allen bolts and Allen keys for fitment and also have add-on rubber strips to fit according to the size of the surface. These are CNC-made high-quality aluminum clamps. Have a look at the old clamps and their conditions. Here's how it looks after installation. Now the setup looks extremely good and clean. We loved its quality, and you can definitely go with it for your motorcycles as well.